Hi, this is Scott. Low miles, clean F-150. It's right here on your virtual video walk around. This is the 2017 with only 12,000 miles. Can you believe it? Stock number is 7372. So we show you this virtual video walk around. You're going to see the exterior. Then we're going to show you the interior here in just a second. This vehicle has had a 150-point vehicle inspection, Carfax Clean History Report. This is the FX Ford off-road package, of course. And making our way around to the rear, we're going to put you inside the interior in just a second. Super clean. Full-size four doors, and we make our way around into the driver's side. Leather, loaded, ample legroom, lots of room, comfortable for the friends and family that are going to travel with you. Who doesn't like a moonroof or two while you're traveling? Easy access, as you're going to see, to all your electronic devices up front, dual climate air control. I mean, it's all there. Fully loaded, super clean, low miles. She's not going to last long. Do me a favor, for more info, call us, email us, or even give us a text. Better yet, come on down, find out about warranty protection for life, oil changes for life, at no cost to you. It's the sunset difference. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.